In a fast-paced world filled with unhealthy food options and conflicting information when it comes to nutrition, it can be difficult to stick to a positive mindset when it comes to our diets. But what if you could change your relationship with food for the better? And what if you could adopt a positive nutrition mindset that empowers you to make healthy choices every day? I'm Kayleigh Lockhart, a holistic health coach and wellness consultant, and I'm really passionate about making good nutrition habits accessible to everyone, no matter where they are in their journey. With daily challenges, expert guidance, plus lots of quick tips, you'll learn how to make healthy choices that not only fuel your body, but also boost your mood. We'll cover topics like meal planning, healthy snacking, and mindful eating. I'll also share with you strategies that I have used personally to heal my gut, boost my energy, and deal with food cravings. So join me on the Positive Nutrition Mindset Challenge and take the first step towards becoming a happier, healthier you.